Thinking about upgrading your Samsung Galaxy A55? The new Galaxy A56 5G is here with a brighter screen, a faster processor, longer software support, and quicker charging. But are these upgrades enough to make you switch? Let's break it down in simple terms. Design and build. Samsung has kept the premium glass back and metal frame but made the A56 5G lighter and thinner. It's still IP67 water and dust resistant, so splashes and minor dips in water aren't a problem. The design stays the same, but new colors like Awesome Graphite and Awesome Light Blue have been introduced. Display and audio. The A56 5G has a slightly bigger and brighter screen, minus 6.7 inches versus 6.6 inches on the A55. It also gets 1200 nits of brightness, up from 1000 nits, making it easier to see outdoors. Both phones have FDT Plus Super AMOLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The A56 5G also comes with AI-powered features that could improve voice recognition, battery life, and camera quality. Cameras. Both phones have the same rear cameras, 50-megapixel main camera, OIS, plus 12-megapixel ultra-wide plus 5-megapixel macro. However, there's a difference in the front camera. A 55 5G, 32-megapixel front camera. A 56 5G, 12-megapixel front camera with video HDR and low noise. Even though the megapixels are lower on the A56, the new features could improve selfies and poor lighting and video quality. Performance and software. The biggest difference? Longer software support. A 55 5G, 5 years of updates. A 56 5G, 6 years of updates. The 56 5G also upgrades from the Exynos 1480 to Exynos 1580 chip, which should bring better efficiency, AI-powered features, and slightly faster performance for gaming and multitasking. Battery and charging. Both phones pack a 5000 mAh battery, but charging speed is a major upgrade. A 55 5G 25-watt charging tilled 50% in an hour. A 56 5G 45-watt charging tilled 50% in 30 minutes. Faster charging means less time plugged in. Should you upgrade? Get the 56 5G if you want. A faster processor with better efficiency. A brighter display for better outdoor use. Better video recording with HDR and noise reduction. 6 years of software updates versus 5 years. 45-watt fast charging versus 25-watt. A lighter, thinner design. A cheaper price at launch compared to A55. Stick with the A55 5G if you already have it. The upgrades aren't huge. You find a big discount on the A55, making it a better deal. Final verdict. The A56 5G is a clear upgrade. It's faster, charges quicker, lasts longer with updates, and costs less at launch. If you're buying a new phone, go for the A56 5G. But if you already have the A55 5G, it's still a great phone and you might not need to upgrade just yet. Would you switch to the A56 5G, or is the A55 5G still good enough for you? I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.